Indifference curves are a foundational tool in economics, used to map out how consumers make choices between two different goods. At its core, this concept helps us visualize a consumer's internal preferences and their willingness to trade one item for another. Every single point located along a specific curve represents a combination of goods that provides the consumer with the same total satisfaction. These curves follow specific logic. They always slope downward because if you gain more of one item, you must give up some of the other. When you look at a map of multiple curves, a consumer will always prefer to be on a curve that is further from the origin. This chart shows how a consumer might trade off units of one good for another while maintaining that same level of happiness. Remember that these curves only show what a person wants, not what they can actually afford within their specific budget. Understanding these curves helps explain economic behavior in the real world. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more finance basics.